Now that the video clips are ready, it's time to create the music for Candela. We ask Claude to add a new audio node to our project in Spaces. Then, in the same message, we include the prompt for the track, together with the lyrics we prepared beforehand. For the soundtrack, we go for an original Spanish alternative pop piece, intimate and cinematic, with a futuristic organic atmosphere and a hypnotic groove. We describe the sound with warm bass, soft drums, airy textures, subtle palmas, organic percussion, and vulnerable vocals. Then we provide Claude with the lyrics we prepared beforehand. The structure is simple. A fragile opening, a slow emotional build, a late atmospheric breakdown, and one final climax. We also ask for the track to be around 3 minutes long. Once the music is generated, we listen to the result.
Ese momento, algo me hizo fijarme en ti.
And ask Claude to save it in the audio folder. Now the soundtrack is ready for the final edit.